Hello my dear students, welcome back in science classes. I am Jagpreet Kaur, your science teacher of Art and Progressive School. Dear student, in this video we are going to continue chapter number 3, that is reproduction in animals. So in the previous video you have learned about the mammals and how they reproduce their young ones. Means there are the two methods. First is by giving birth to the young ones or the babies, or by laying eggs. So these are the two methods that how they reproduce their young ones. Now in this video we will learn about the life cycle of insects. So let's start. First, let's see the definition of insects. Insects are small animals with 6 legs and a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. Yes, the skeleton of an insect are present outside and which is known as exoskeleton. But in humans, the skeleton are present inside the body and that is known as endoskeleton. Most have wings and antenna. Means most of the insects they have wings and antenna. So the small animals which are having 6 legs and exoskeleton having wings and antenna are known as insects. Student, all the insects they developed from an egg, and all the insects like the grasshopper, the cockroach, they undergo from the 3 stages to complete their life cycle. So here is the life cycle of a cockroach. Okay, so these are the 3 stages: first stage, second stage, and the third stage, that is in final one. In the stage 1, when the female cockroach lays egg, okay, and after 3-4 days or a week, then these eggs get hatched and then this nymph develops. This nymph comes out from this egg, and this stage will continue for few weeks, okay, and during this period this nymph shed off their skin 3-4 times, and the process by which the baby insects shed off their skin is known as molting, okay. Spelling is MOULTING. This is a process by which this baby insects shed off their skin. After this, then they come to the stage 3, that is an adult cockroach. Okay, so first stage is when the female cockroach lays egg. When this egg gets hatched, then it goes to the second stage, where the nymph develops from the eggs. In this stage, this nymph continues, and the baby insects they shed off their skin, and the process by which the baby insects shed off their skin is known as molting. MOULTING, molting. After this stage, then it comes to stage 3, which is an adult cockroach. Okay, so dear student, to understand it much better way, look at this clip. The eggs of a cockroach take 5 to 10 days to get hatched up. Then, as is hatched up, then the nymph comes out at about 6 to 7 weeks. Then, this stays still for the 4 to 5 months, and during this period, many times they shed off their skin, and the process is known as molting. After 9 to 13 months, they become to an adult cockroach. Now here is a life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so in the butterfly is in the insects, there is a 3 stage to complete a life cycle. in this butterfly it takes stage 4, means the 4 stages they takes to complete their life cycle. Okay, the first stage is the female butterfly, they lay eggs on the leaves. Okay, so this is in stage 1. Now when after within a week, when these eggs get hatched, they from this egg the caterpillars comes out. Okay, the caterpillar is like a worms, small worms. Okay, so this caterpillar looks like a small worm, and this caterpillar are also known as a larva of a butterfly. Okay, so this caterpillar then they feed on the leaves, means they eat leaves until they developed completely, means they grow more. Okay, as they grown into an adult caterpillar, then they come to stage 3, means these caterpillar it covers themselves in a cocoon. Okay, they cover themselves in a cocoon, COCOON, cocoon. In this cocoon they stay here in this stage for about 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, and after this, after completing 2 to 3 weeks, then they comes to the stage 4, means they come out from this cocoon. Okay, this is a hard shell like structure. Okay, and after then they come out into an adult butterfly. Okay, so let's see it again. When the female butterfly they lay eggs on the leaves, then after few days or within a week, the small worms comes out from these eggs. Okay, and that small worms are known as caterpillar. Caterpillar is a larva of a butterfly. Okay, then this caterpillar eat the leaves. Okay, and they developed here further for about 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, then after that, when they grow into a developed caterpillar, into a big size, then they cover themselves into a cocoon. Okay, in this stage they live for 2 to 3 weeks. Then they come out from this cocoon. This cocoon is in hard shell structure. Then they come out from the cocoon and they become an adult butterfly. To understand it in a real way, to see this, that how the worms come out from the eggs and how they complete their life cycle, see this clip. This is an egg of a butterfly. So now when this egg gets hatched up, the small worms comes out. As you can see here, that a small worm is trying to come out from the egg. After coming out from an egg, they eat the eggshell to get nourishment or the nutrition. After that, they continue eat leaves until they grow up into an adult caterpillar. So as you can see that how the caterpillar is eating the leaves, and after that they grown up into an adult caterpillar. As the color change also you can see here. During this stage, the caterpillar many times shed off its skin, and that is known as the molting process, as it does by the cockroach. So after that, as they grown up completely, then it try itself to get stick on the stump, and then it try to cover itself into an cover that is known as cocoon. So as you can see now that how this caterpillar is getting ready to cover itself into an hard shell which is known as an cocoon. And this stage is known as pupa. After few weeks, the butterfly try to comes out from the shell which is in cocoon, and now this is the fourth stage of an butterfly in which it completely formed into an adult butterfly. And this process to an adult butterfly is known as metamorphosis. Now dear students, let's see some amazing facts about the cockroach and the butterflies. Now the amazing facts of cockroach. So the first amazing fact is a cockroach can live for a week without its head. Yes, children, the cockroach can live for a week without its head. How? Due to their open circulatory system and the fact that they breathe through little holes in each of their body segments. Means on the body of a cockroach there are some holes which help the cockroach to live without its heads. But the cockroach die after a week because of thirst. Means the cockroach cannot drink the water, and this will be the reason of its death. Next amazing fact is a cockroach can hold its breath for 40 minutes. Yes, when it goes or it under the water, the cockroach can survive for up to 40 minutes. Means the cockroach can hold its breath for the 40 minutes and the cockroach can survive under the water. The third amazing fact is they can run up to 3 miles in an hour. Yes, while this may seems like an impressive athletic ability of a cockroach, but it really means is that they can spread germs and bacteria throughout home very quickly. Okay, so the next amazing fact is the world's largest cockroach is 6 inches long, only found in South America. Okay, the largest cockroach which is 6 inches long, it found in South America. The next amazing fact is the cockroaches are really old. They are older than the dinosaurs. It is believed that cockroaches originated more than 280 million years ago. Yes, the cockroaches are really about 280 million years ago the cockroaches were originated. The last amazing fact is the cockroaches can live without food for 1 month. The first amazing fact of a butterfly is there are almost 20,000 species of butterfly. Yes, there are 20,000 species all over the world of a butterfly. Second is butterfly use their feet to taste. Yes, dear students, by their feet, the butterfly used to taste the things. Butterfly only live for few weeks. Yes, the butterfly can only live for the few weeks. The next amazing fact is the common Butterfly in the US is the cabbage white. Means this is the most common butterfly in the US and the name is the cabbage white. The next amazing fact is the one of the largest butterflies is the giant swallowtail. Yes, dear students, swallowtail is a name of a butterfly which is the world's largest giant butterfly. The next is butterfly wings are transparent. Is it transparent? No, it looks very colorful. How it can be possible? But dear student, the wings of a butterfly have scales. They are transparent and this scale reflects the light and due to this their wings looks colorful. Okay dear students, the wings of a butterfly are transparent and on the wings of the butterfly there are scales which reflects the different color and due to this the wings of the butterfly looks colorful. Dear student, I hope you understood today's lecture. Now in the next video we will continue this chapter. So till then keep learning, stay safe and stay healthy.